Hello everyone, I want to explain to you how to assemble and install the product in a few simple steps. First step, thread the 3-click bases into the rubber band through the bottom slots when they are all pointing in the same direction. The end of the rubber band should be threaded through the top slot on the back of the base of the remaining click. Note that is also in the same direction as the other bases. Insert the protruding end into the bottom slot as shown. Now thread, as in step 3, the other end of the strap and make sure the strap does not rotate along its entire length. Spread the locks on the elastic band in 4 equal points, always with the narrow part towards up. Wrap the elastic band around the mattress in the middle of its height. It is necessary to tighten well, so in one hand hold the strap that surrounds the mattress and in the other hand hold the end of the strap and pull from the end of the strap until a socket is formed in the mattress. Place sheet on the mattress. It should be noted that the product does not impair the sheet due to its properties. You can shake the sheet tightly without the sheet slipping on the opposite side. Place the round cover on the plastic part below the sheet and push up to lock it. With just a simple click, the sheet won't slip.